What's the plan for today?
We're going to take this Kawasaki Z400 and tear it down.
Ooh. So, we will be taking tank, handlebars, headlight, exhausts, seat, mudguard, all off just now. And then that'll leave the wheels engine to be done, jack the frame up, then we'll get the wheels off and eventually take the engine out. So you're going to take the exhausts off, exhausters, and then we'll have a look at this nest of stuff. Gee, friggin' heck. These guys are easy enough to come off. Dodgy connections here. Exhauster is off. Okay, so most of the bits have been taken off, loosening off or putting some releasing on all of the engine mounts, brake caliper mounts, swinger arm mounts, and then we'll get wheels off and engine out and forks off. Most of it off, exhausts off, seat, tank, wiring all off, foot pegs, gear changer, swinger arm, suspension, get the engine out, and that's us. Stage 1 complete. Yay! Engine out the frame and all the parts with it. Good stuff.